Hey everybody. Well, I'm out of the campsite and I'm actually going to take a drive and see some nature. So I will be posting some pictures and some video. It's a tad bit busy around here because it is Monday morning. So I will try to do my best and stay safe, and we'll see you in a little bit. I just turned in off the road, and where I'm at is a community club that's actually in a city called Cassia. It's a nice little place. I wonder if it's open. They've got music in Cassia November 14th. I guess they have to update their sign. It's a nice building. We've got, looks like a camp out here. A pavilion. Nice trees. Big parking lot. I wonder if it's still open. I'll show you the building though. It's a really nice building. Wonder what the sign says. I guess nobody was home. On to more. I just saw some animals I have got to show you. They're pretty big. And of course we are in nature and we are out here in the boondocks. We're not in any kind of city. So I wanted to show you just a little bit up this way. There's also a White House that's on the left up here. It's beautiful. It's a two-story house. That's it. I did it again. I gotta turn around again. Anyways, so here's the White House that I wanted to show you. It's beautiful. Wraparound porch is absolutely beautiful. Alright, I'm gonna turn around again and we're gonna go see some animals. Oh yeah. Loving this house. Nice white picket fence. It's very nice. Now, let's get to these animals. It's right past the bridge. And I'm watching my rear view mirror because this is only, one lane road, so whatever. But yeah, I'm definitely enjoying, this is called Blackwater Creek, this bridge. It's got a creek down there somewhere. But anyways, I'm really loving these animals. Definitely loving these animals. I don't know if you guys have ever been around animals, but these are really beautiful. And of course, I have to cross the street because the view of them, you can't really see them. Okay, so here's one of them. It's enormous. It's like a brown cow. What do you think it is? Looks like a brown cow because here's the black one. There's the black one. It's a beautiful grazing area for them. Alright, on to more. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, they're behind all the moss. They're still beautiful. Beautiful horses. There's another picture I wanted to show you. Santa's farm. Isn't that cute? Well, I guess all the rain is gone because it's now blue skies outside. Nice day for a drive. Let's see, you want to go to Eustis or you want to go to Crystal River? Let's go back to Sanford. Since it's not the weekend, I guess we won't go out to the Renegers Antique Market. Let's go do some more driving. You know, even as a truck driver, I still loved going through the back roads whenever I could. But this right here is in the Rock Springs area, the Wekiva area, and almost to the Ocala National Forest. It's near it, but it's not in it. And then it gets into more foresty area where people have nice houses out here, no subdivisions, no gated communities, you know, no Walmart for like 15 miles. I mean, look at that. It's all just land. But it's beautiful, beautiful out today. It cleared up. It was really rainy at 6 o'clock this morning until about 10, and then the clouds rolled in, and it was windy last night because this is the addition to my camping trip, so I'm more so driving in the area, and it's very beautiful. There's a lot of nice different houses out here. I've seen people drive by with Christmas trees wrapped on top of their cars, and it really is really nice. There's a lot of little mom and pop shops out here, little construction companies, construction being done, roads are closed, but you know, that's okay, because that's just the way it is. So on to more driving. My goodness, that was like a 20-mile racetrack of construction. And I'm no lie, I ain't telling no lies. It's about 20 miles long. I got some pictures of it, but man, it was just all kinds of diverted. So, yep, more driving. Well, that concludes today's visit around town and around all the nature. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you watched it all the way through. Didn't skip any parts. I'm really glad I did this today. So hopefully you get to watch the other video that I did upload onto YouTube about my camping trip. It was really great. Again, I do want to give a shout out to the staff. They were really great, very helpful, they gave me as much information as they could, very welcoming. I will be back there again, and it's called Magnolia State Park or Magnolia Park. I don't have the brochure on me, it's already put away, but I did do a lot of footage, so if you didn't get a chance, go back onto my YouTube channel and check that one out, because it does have beautiful sunset pictures at Lake Apopka, across the street from the park. So, alright, I'm going to go ahead and finish out my day, and you guys have a great week if I don't upload anything before then. But if you can, please like this video and like the camping video as well. Let me know. You can comment below, leave comments at any time. And if you haven't already, please push the subscribe button. And beside the subscribe button, there is a notification bell. If you push that and push the all button, you will get notified every time that I upload another video. So I'm so glad you guys came with me. I hope you enjoyed, and you guys stay safe, and God bless. Ciao for now.